Hi, I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to quickly duplicate objects in Adobe Illustrator. Now let's get started.
As you can see here, I've created a simple square shape. Now, if you want more copies of this shape, you don't need to redraw it every time. Illustrator gives you some really quick ways to duplicate objects. Let's look at the first method. Select the object. Now hold down Shift plus Alt on your keyboard and drag the shape to the side. And there you go, you've just created a duplicate. We did it because holding Shift keeps everything aligned in a straight line, and Alt tells Illustrator to create a copy while you drag. It's a really quick and convenient method. Now let's look at another way. Select the object again. Press Ctrl plus C to copy and then Ctrl V to paste. This will place a duplicate of the object directly on your artboard. Simple and familiar, just like copying and pasting in most other programs. Now here's a really useful trick if you want multiple copies with equal spacing. First, select the object, then hold Shift plus Alt and drag to create a duplicate, just like we did earlier. Now take a moment to adjust the spacing so it looks the way you want and then release the mouse. Now press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard. What this does is repeat the last duplication you performed. So every time you press Ctrl D, Illustrator creates another copy with the exact same spacing. You can keep pressing Ctrl plus D to quickly generate as many duplicates as you need. This trick works not just for shapes but also for text, images, icons, and most other objects in Illustrator. And that's how you quickly duplicate objects in Adobe Illustrator.